Hello everyone and welcome to episode 3 of this short 5 video series about Helium 10 product research. Now in the last episode I showed you exactly how to take advantage of the power of the Helium 10 Chrome extension and how to use the X-ray tool to pull up all the different colours from our winning product and determine which is the most popular colour so that we can then release that specific colour to begin selling this product. Now in this episode I'm going to demonstrate exactly how you extract all the reviews from this competition so you can determine all the things they've done well and all the mistakes they've made. So I'm going to dive into the laptop now and I'll see you on the inside. So now we need to scroll up to the top again, go to our Helium 10 Chrome extension and now click on Review Insights. And now this will give you a breakdown of all the reviews for this product. So what we can do is, straight away at the top, we can see the percentages of all the different ratings, and now 21% 1 star is quite high, but obviously because they have so many reviews they are holding a 4.5 star average, so that's still pretty good. But what we can do to go further with this is, if we go here to filters, now you can sort this by specific date ranges, only verified, only helpful, only with images, only with videos. And if we go to all ratings, you can sort it by 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star and 5 star, so you can get very specific with these results. And again, if you go to variations, you can also sort the reviews by each specific colour. So if you did want to just examine red, as you're planning to launch red to start with, as we determined in the previous episode that this was the most popular colour, you can actually just look at the specific reviews for red. But I believe it's actually more beneficial to look at the reviews for every colour, as this gives you a lot more data to work with, as the mistakes and things they've done correctly will generally apply to all of the colours, as the product is the same. So we're going to leave this as all colours, but what I'm going to do is, as a good starting point is, I will untick 2, 3, 4 and 5 stars. So now we'll just specifically be looking at the 1 star results so that we can see all of the mistakes that our competition has made. And so I'm now going to scroll down and I'm going to click Apply Filters. Okay, and now this has pulled up all of the 1 star reviews for this product. Straight away we can see flowers not as photo, meaning that they are not actually selling the product that they're demonstrating in their product images, which is extremely bad. So to confirm things like this, a good tactic is you actually buy this product from your competition, see what arrives, and then you can compare it to the product listing and see if this is in fact true. Because something to also bear in mind is these reviews might not actually be accurate, as sometimes you get other competition that leave fake reviews just to try and mark these people down and beat them. And also you get people that are just trying to get a free product and don't want to actually have to pay. So they'll leave a fake review and then complain to Amazon just to get the product for free. So these are just things you need to bear in mind when you're going through these reviews. Always do your own research, and this is not financial advice, but again, I'm just putting you into the mindset of how you need to be examining these results. Let's have a scroll through and see what else we can find. Here we go. Completely shredded by the time it got to me and had a perfume smell. Totally unusable. So again, by purchasing this from this competitor, you can verify if these in fact are true or if they are fake reviews for the reasons I spoke about before. So you just need to spend time now going through all of these reviews and make a list of all the mistakes that they have made so that you can keep track of this, and then you can analyse the product that you receive from your competition and verify which of these things are actually true. And then the next step after that is you find a reliable supplier, order samples from them, and then compare the samples from your supplier and your competition's product. And then that's how you can actually go in and solve these problems, and then this is how you will ultimately beat them. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. Please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Now in the next episode I'm going to demonstrate to you a tool called Cerebro, and this is how we actually extract all of the keywords from our competition so that we know exactly where they are getting their sales from. So be sure to stick around for that, and I'll see you in the next episode.